Okay guys, here comes NS in Berea. 4808. Would it be fun to go to Cook Road?
Yeah, we go to Cook Road.
We should. There's a place to park, that is. Got another on there. Yeah, that's fine. I'm gonna say this is one of my favorite spots. We got another meet.
Got me!
Woo! This is fun. We should go out to Illinois.
Yeah.
Maybe go visit Rochelle. I would like to get an easy pack somewhere. And maybe go ahead and I want to find a good place to visit Rochelle. Wow, that is one good heck of a meet. It's standing one of the trains there. That's so fun. Going at the same speed, that's what we got. Evergreen.